Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sanvi Agarwal, and in this video I'm gonna show you a basic makeup tutorial which you can do wherever you go out or somewhere, and your makeup is going to look like this till the end, so don't forget to watch it till the end. So yeah, let's just get into this video. So let me just first tie my hair so that they won't ruin my makeup, right? Okay, so I have tied my hairs. Now for the very first step, we will before applying makeup, we should always clean our face properly. So for cleaning my face, I use this Dot and Key face wash, which is really good and gentle on my face, and it also contains this hyaluronic acid. But yeah, I'm just telling that this is good for my skin, right? So yeah, first of all, you should always clean your face properly. Okay, so after cleaning your face, what you should apply, what I apply is this moisturizer, which is from Dot and Key. And yeah, I use Dot and Key's face wash also, and its moisturizer also. So this is their vitamin C plus E moisturizer, which I really like, and it's good for my skin. And yeah, let's just apply this first. Okay, so I have applied this moisturizer. Now let's just move on to the other step, which is applying sunscreen, and this is really important before you do your makeup. So yeah, let me just apply this and come back to you. All right, so I am done with the sunscreen also. Now let's just start with our makeup. So let's just begin with our makeup, and I have two kits over here with me in which I have makeup. Okay, so let's just start with the very first step of makeup, which is applying primer. And I use this primer from Sugar. As you can see, if it is visible, this is from Sugar. So let's just apply this first. Okay, so let's just move on to the other step, which is applying foundation. So I use this foundation, which is from Maybelline, and I'm in shade 115. So yeah, let's just apply this foundation. Okay, so I use this beauty blender to blend my foundation. For the next step, I'm gonna apply concealer, and in concealer I have two options with me here. One is this from Swiss Beauty. This concealer is from Swiss Beauty, and the other one which I have is from Maybelline. As you can see, if it is visible, this is from Maybelline. So I'm thinking to apply this one only. So yeah, after applying, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm done with the concealer part also. Now let's just move on to the other step, which is applying compact powder, and I use this from Lakme 925. And yeah, let's just apply this. I'm just gonna apply it like under my eyes and all over my face. Alright, so I'm done with the compact also. Now let's move on to the other step. Next step which I do is my eye makeup. I apply this Kajal under my waterline. So yeah, I'll get back to you after applying this. Alright, so I'm done with the Kajal part, and now I'm gonna apply. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I use Kajal from Lakme. And now the next part is going to be eyeliner, and I use eyeliner also from Lakme. Okay, so as you can see, I have applied my eyeliner also. Now let's just move on to the next part, which is going to be mascara. But before applying mascara, I use this eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna use mascara on my eyelashes. Alright, so I'm done with the mascara part also, and yeah, I use this mascara, which is Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara, and it's actually good. Okay, so now let's move on to the another step, which is going to be blush. But I have this palette which contains three things: contour, highlighter, and the blush. And I use the blush from this palette only, and this is from Sugar Cosmetics. So yeah, let me just apply this and then come back to you. It looks something like this from inside. Okay, so I'm done with the blush part also. Now let's move on to the last step, which is going to be the lipstick. And I use this lipstick from Lakme 925. This is my favorite lipstick. So yeah, let me just apply this also. Okay, so I'm done with the lipstick part also. Alright, so I'm done with my makeup. So you can comment down that if you like my makeup or not. And yeah, I mean that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.